trouble. Hey, go change your shoes. What are those? You must feel that you rusty. Are you rusty? What's the answer? Welcome to my live stream.
I've been there before. I've been there before. I've been there before. That's a no man. But you got all of them. Don't do that. What I lost? Okay.
1,000 change.
Hey,
No, it's okay.
Not 500 naira.
Hey. Yeah. I didn't want. What is the answer? Thank you so much for joining my live.
Thank you so much for joining my live. Hi. Hi.
My name is That Purple Anna. So we are here to answer
My name is
questions,
Angel White.
riddles, puzzles. What problem?
Hi, my name is Angel White.
So that is it. Thank you for joining my live. And if you're new to my live, like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Angel White. See you. Love you.
Yes. Yeah. So this is a riddle. This is not the only one we're going to do today. We're going to do riddle, what problem, math puzzle, everything. Yes, we're going to solve it. Okay? We're going to solve it, and with pen and paper. So we're going to solve it. But we are starting with riddles today. Okay? Like we're starting with riddles now. So who can tell us the answer? I am something. I have a neck, but no head. What am I? What am I? What code is your lock? Hell, why am I doing it? What is the glasses? I got set. Hello, Lonnie. Hello. So what's the answer? Type it in the comment section. Type the answer in the comment section. Okay? Type the answer in the comment section. I'll move to math. How much? So what's the answer? I am something. I am something. I have a neck.
Of what?
What am I? Thank you, okay? I don't know. Yes. Okay, let's switch to this one. Let's do this. Okay. Let's do this one now. Who can tell us the answer? 6 plus 6 times 6 minus 6. So who has any idea what the answer is? If you're new to my life, like, subscribe and share, okay? We are here to learn. Who can tell us, who has any idea? And please, if you're telling me the answer, you have to tell us how you got it, okay? What's the answer? What is the answer? So who can tell us the answer? Six plus 6 times 6 plus 6 times 6 is minus 6 is going to give us what? Any idea? Who has any idea? I will give you high percento. Thank you so much for joining my life, okay? Who has any idea? We're here to solve it together. So what is the answer?
I'm feeling cold. You are feeling cold? Yeah. I'm okay. I'm okay. You know how you do you're feeling cold? Yes, I'm feeling cold. Look at it, I'm feeling cold.
Okay. Now, what is the answer? What is the answer? Who has any idea? Why are you closing your mouth? What's the answer? Any idea? Any idea? If you have any idea, you tell us and also tell us how you got it, okay? Go hey, go change your shoes. What are those? Okay. Now, let me start my teaching. Okay. Okay, let's do it like this. This is why I say my madam. This is my madam. My fair madam. If they gave fair madam, maybe they bring her out. Make I check something. Okay. So this is it. Okay, I'm coming.
Don't worry.
Next one. Okay, so this is the okay. Let's start with here. The question here is 6 plus. If you're new to my life, like, subscribe and share, okay? 6 plus 6 times 6 minus 6. So now some people will be like, we have to plus 6 plus 6 times 6 minus 6. That's not the answer. That's the very wrong method. Okay, now we have to use board maths. Oh my so board mass. So you know what board mass means? B is the one yourself. Brackets. Please, if you're new to my life, like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Brackets. O. If you're new to my life, like, subscribe, and share. Order. Order. D. D stands for division. Don't worry, Cheme again. Don't worry. Okay, go ahead. Half. I'm coming. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. Let me attend to custom. Half. I'm coming. Let me. Okay, I must hear this one. Sorry for the interrupting you guys. Okay, let's continue. 200. Okay, let's continue. Now. Huh? Okay, some people got 36. 36. Okay. Ajumri said, okay, Michael said 36. Okay. Michael said 36. Okay. Now, okay. Now, some people think it's 6 plus 6 minus times 6 is 6. Then you now minus, or you understand, but that's not how. That's a very wrong one. So now we use board mass. B is brackets, O order, D division, M is multiplication, A addition, X so this is what we're going to use. We're going to use board mass. Okay, well, we have to use board mass. Now plus and times, plus multiplication, which one is the first? Which one are we going to use first? With this board mass, which one comes first? multiplication, like, okay, let me explain so you understand. This is addition. Addition is here, right? Multiplication is here. Subtraction is the last. So we're going to collect them according to the first one. We'll start from the first one, the one that appears first here. Okay, so now we'll start with addition. Addition is where? Second to the last. Addition is in second to the last. Multiplication is also here. Subtraction is the last. So we have to start with what? Multiplication is the first. Now we'll start with 6 times 6 is going to give us what? Hope you understand. Multiplication, since we're using this board mass, what comes first here? What comes first here is multiplication. Multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. Okay, now 6 times 6 is going to give us what? 36. Okay, 6 times 6 is going to give us 36. Now we now do 6 plus 36. What is the second? After multiplication we see addition, right? Before subtraction. Okay, now 6 plus this 36 minus, then subtraction is the last. Okay, subtraction is the last. You now do minus 6. Okay, if you have any question you ask me, then I will make you understand. Okay, now 6 plus 36 minus 6 is going to give us what? You now do 6 plus 36 is going to give us what? 6 plus 36 is going to give us what? 36 plus 6. I just want to show all working in everything here. Okay, 6 plus 6 is going to give us 12. Carry 1. 6 plus 3 is going to give us 6. 6 plus 6 is going to give us 12. I was using multiplication. 6 plus 6 is going to give us 12. Carry 1. 4. Okay, now the answer is 41. 42. See it here. 42. So 6 plus 36 is going to give us what? 42. Then we now do cross. Now we now do 42 minus 6. Okay, now we now bring this minus. You know, this multiplication is the last. First we used addition. Don't worry if you don't, I will still explain it again. Okay, yeah, so you understand very, very well. Addition is first. Multiplication is first. Addition is second. And subtraction is what? Third. Now we're now using the last one now. Okay, we're now using the last one, which is subtraction. Now 46 minus 6 is going to give us what? 36. Hope you understand. 36 is the answer. So 6 plus 6 times 6 minus 6 is going to give us what? 36. Any question? Should I still come again? Please, if you're new to my life, like, subscribe and share. Okay, yeah, like, subscribe and share. So this is how we got it. Okay. Okay. Someone said I told you the formula we used. Look on top. Okay, you used you used the same formula. Did you use the same formula? I used board mass. Yeah, some people said 77. So Antonio said 46. Who else? Jomero said, what did you say? Ifedayo said 36. Veronica said 6. Ifedayo got it. Yeah, Ifedayo got it. People that got 36 got it. Okay, you're very correct. The answer is correct. 36. Now, let me explain very well for those that are just coming. Okay. Now, and if you don't get it very well, let me explain it very well so you understand. Let's explain it again. 6. For those that are just coming, like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Let's go again. For those that are getting different answer, 6 plus, this is the answer. Okay. 6 plus. So 6 times 6 plus 6 times 6 minus 6 equal to, but now see what we did. This is board mass. Okay. B stands for brackets. O stands for order. D stands for division. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. Any question here? I'll give you guys 30 seconds. If you have any question, 30 seconds. I'm giving you guys 30 seconds for only this one if you don't understand it. Angel said 920 plus. No. Nope. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, okay, no question. Okay, let's continue with what we are doing. There is no question. Let's continue with what we are doing. B, brackets. O, order. This is board mass. Okay. B, bracket. O, order. D, division. M, multiplication. A, addition. X, subtraction, which makes it what? Board mass. Now, what's the first one that comes? Which one comes first here? Between what we have here is addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Okay. Addition, multiplication, and subtraction. That's what we have here. Now, between addition, multiplication, and subtraction, which one comes first? What comes first is what? Between addition, multiplication, and subtraction, which one comes first? This is addition. This is multiplication. and this subtraction. Which one comes first? Multiplication comes first. Okay, this is addition and subtraction. Multiplication comes. If there is division, we'll start with division, but there's no division here. If there is division, we'll start with division here. If there is order, we'll start with order here. If there is bracket, we'll start with brackets. Okay, if there is bracket, we'll start to open bracket and all. You understand? Now we start with, now we have to, this one is not here. The only one that is here is this one. So which one comes first is multiplication. Now we'll start with multiplication. This is the question here. Now we'll start with 6 times 6. Okay, wait, let me attend to customer. I'm coming. I'm coming, let me attend to customer.
Okay. Cha, even Chigana, Skima, Cracker.
My only mama.
Who's your mama? Who's your mama?
I
Okay. Okay. When I'm to here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue. Now, this is it, right? What is the first one? Where did I stop? Okay, 6 plus. This is the question, right? This is the question. This is the question. Now, 6 plus 6 times 6 minus 6 is what? Now we have to start with what? Multiplication. Multiplication is the first. Okay, they didn't give us bracket. They didn't give us in this question. There is no bracket. There is no order. There is no division. It's only multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? Good. Now, between multiplication here, addition here, and subtraction, which one comes first? Is multiplication. Now we start with what? Multiplication. 6 times 6 is what? 6 times 6 is what? 36. Okay? Yeah. 6 times 6 is what? 36. Richardson, yeah, 36 is the answer. Richardson got it. Now, for those that don't understand, that's why I'm explaining it again. So 6 times, I'm showing the full working here, okay? Yeah, I'm showing the full working here, how we got it. So we have to use board mass, okay? I'm showing the full working. Board mass is how we did it. We used board mass here, okay? We used it. Now, 6 times is going to give us 36, right? Yeah. Now, after multiplication, what next? This is it. After multiplication, what next? Who can tell us? After multiplication, what next? Finished. After multiplication, what next? PEMDAS, really? Is that what you used? PEMDAS. Okay, yeah. As King Jane said, pen mass. Okay, yeah. It's addition. Good. Thank you. Nikki Berry said the next thing here is what? Addition. Yes, addition. Then we have to do what? Since the next one we're going to use here is addition, we now do 6 plus. Okay, 6 plus this 36 here. Do you understand? 6 plus this 36. Hope you're understanding. Who is lost here? Should I continue? Okay. Okay. 6 times 6. Should I continue? Six times, okay, let me continue. 6 times 6 is what? 36. Nikki Berry said the next thing we're going to use here is what? Addition. Okay, yeah, addition is what we're going to use right now. Then we do 6 plus 36 minus 6. Do you understand? Yes. 6 plus 36 minus 6. The first thing we used here, we've already done this one. Now. Multiplication is what? Sorted. We are done with multiplication. Now it's remaining addition and subtraction. Okay? It's remaining addition and subtraction. So now we have to add 6 plus 36. Because it's addition. We are now starting with addition now. So 6 plus 36 is what? You know how I did 6? Let me show workings. 6 plus 36. 6 plus 6. 12. Carry 1. 4. 42. Now the answer is 42 here. Okay? Now, there is 42. Now, we now do here 6 plus 36 here is equals to 42. Hope you understand, right? Now we now do cross. 42 minus 6 is going to give us what? Do you know why we're now using this? We're using it because it's the last one. We first used multiplication. Now we used addition with multiplication. First, okay, addition. Second, subtraction. Third, okay, subtraction is third. Now subtract. What is 42 minus 6? What's the answer? 36. At Nikki Berry said 36. So therefore that 6 is the answer. Six plus 6 times 6 minus 6 is what? 36. Okay. Well, let me attend to customer. Okay.
There's not even that cold. It's not cold. Oh, sorry, it's cold. Touch it, no. Touch it, just brush it. Hollanda. Okay, well. Yo, one.
Okay. Now. So that is how we got 36. Okay, thanks for waiting. That is how we got 36. Now let's move to the any question before we move to another question. Okay, I know I've explained it twice. You're supposed to know the answer now, okay? Now let's move to the other question.
Yes, madam.
Okay, let's do this. Now, don't mind this, okay? Now, let's start with this. Or let me open another page. Okay. Okay, Ibidola. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. Sorry. I'm coming. Happy. Now let's continue. Let's continue, okay? Yeah. Yeah, let's continue now. This is another question. Okay, this is it. If okay, let me write it here. Math. If 9 plus 1 is 91, 8 plus, please, if you're new to my life, like, subscribe and share, okay? Please like, subscribe and share. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 75. 7 plus 3 is 61. 6 plus 4 is 49. 6 plus 4 is 49. 5 plus 5 is 39. So what is 3 plus 7? Okay, now see what we are going to do. Look at how we are going to do it now. All these answers, okay? Now let's break them down. 9 1 9 1 7 5 6 1 4 9 3 9 and what? Okay, if you have any question, you ask me. We brought them down. Now we now do 91 and 75. Okay, do you understand? You have to pick them. 91 and 75. Now you start from 75 and 61. Okay, and 61. 61 and 49. 49. 49 and 39. Okay, yeah. So how are we going to do it? 69. Now we do 91 minus 75. It's going to give us what? Minus 16. Okay, 75 minus 61 is going to give us minus 14. So 61 minus 49 is going to give us minus 12. 49 minus 39 is going to give us what? Minus 10. Okay, now the question is 3 plus 7. Do you understand now? 3 plus 7 is going to give us what? Minus 8. Do you understand? Do you understand it now? Do you understand? This is 6, 14, 12, 10, 8. So the answer is what? 8. Okay. Any question? If you're new to my life, like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Yeah. Let's change it. Okay, let's move to this one. Who can solve this?
This one and this one is one hand. This one and this one hand.
Who can solve this one? Who can solve it? Who can solve it? Solve it, solve it. Okay. Seven plus 3 is going to give us 343, right? Okay. 5 plus 3 is going to give us 125. 8 plus 3 is going to give us 512, right? Okay. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, now we do now we do 6 plus 3 is equals to what? 7 plus 3 equal to 3, 4, 7. 7 times 7 times 7. This is a 3. This 3 here is not, let's say, it's not addition. This thing here is not addition. Okay, here is not addition. This thing here is not addition. Like, you understand? This is just, it's kind of math riddle. Okay, it's just like math riddle. Now it's not addition. Now we have to do 7 times 7 times 7. Okay, now you do 7, 3. Now 5 plus 3 is equal to
哎呦，买错了。